TikTok Shop Dropshipping lets you sell products without inventory. Suppliers handle fulfillment. Ideal for viral trends. Earn via commissions, 5-30%, or direct sales. 1. Set up TikTok Shop. Switch to business account. TikTok app, profile, menu, apply. Visit sellerus.tiktok.com. Sign up, log in, choose individual or business seller. Verify, upload ID, proof of address, business docs, EIN for USA, approved in 1 to 5 days. 2. Choose a niche and supplier. Pick trending niches, beauty, fashion, gadgets, pet items. Use TikTok Creative Center for ideas. Integrate POD dropship suppliers, Printful, Printify, Zendrop, or AutoDS. Connect via TikTok app in their dashboards for auto sync. 3. List products. Seller Center, products, import from supplier. Add 5 to 20 items. For example, custom tees at $25, cost $10 equals $15 profit. Optimize. High-res images, videos, descriptions, price under $35 for impulse buys. 4. Promote and sell. Create content, $3.10 videos per day, unboxings, try-ons. Tag products, basket icon appears. Use lives, spark ads, affiliates, earn on referrals. Orders auto-fulfill via supplier, 3 to 7 days shipping. 5. Manage and scale, track sales in dashboard. Payouts weekly, minimum 10. Comply. US-based fulfillment within 3 days to avoid penalties.